Do you want to know how to make a healthy breakfast? It's essential to begin our day with a nutritious meal. This not only fuels our body, but also kickstarts our mind. A balanced breakfast includes proteins, carbohydrates, and good fats. Each of these elements plays a unique role in maintaining our health. Today, we are going to share a recipe that beautifully combines all these components. It's simple, it's tasty, and it's packed with health benefits. So, are you ready to start your day right with a nutritious and delicious breakfast? Stick around. First things first, gather all your ingredients. We're going to need some whole grain bread. This is a fantastic source of fiber and can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next up is the avocado, a powerhouse of healthy fats and nutrients that are great for your skin, heart, and overall well-being. We also need eggs, a wonderful source of protein that will give you the energy you need to kickstart your day. Cherry tomatoes will add a burst of flavor and are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C for an immune system boost. Don't forget the olive oil, a heart-healthy fat that also enhances the flavor of our dish. Lastly, a pinch of salt will bring out the flavors of our ingredients, and while it should be used sparingly, it's an essential part of a balanced diet. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to start cooking. Now the fun part begins, preparing our healthy breakfast. Start by toasting your favorite whole grain bread. As it toasts, let's move on to frying the egg. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, add a tiny bit of olive oil, and crack your egg into the pan. Let it cook until the whites are set but the yolk is still runny. This is what we call a sunny side-up egg. While the egg is cooking, let's work on the avocado. Slice it in half, remove the pit, and then cut long, thin slices. The creaminess of the avocado will be a great contrast to the crunchy toast. Next, let's proceed to the cherry tomatoes. Simply have them. These will provide a pop of color and a burst of freshness to our dish. By now, your toast should be ready. Place it on a plate and layer the avocado slices on top. The warmth of the toast will slightly soften the avocado, making it even more delicious. Then, gently place your fried egg on top of the avocado. Arrange the halved cherry tomatoes around the plate, adding that vibrant color contrast. Feel free to sprinkle some salt and pepper to taste, and perhaps a dash of your favorite seasoning. The combination of textures and flavors creates a symphony in your mouth, making this meal not just healthy, but also incredibly satisfying. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious breakfast to start your day. Isn't that simple and quick? Now you're all set to start your day on a healthy note. We've journeyed together from introducing the concept of a nutritious breakfast, through gathering our choice ingredients, and finally, to the creation of our wholesome meal. Each ingredient we used, remember, carries its own nutritional benefits. The oats, rich in fiber, help in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The berries, packed with antioxidants, contribute to overall wellness. The nuts, a great source of healthy fats and proteins, provide sustained energy throughout the day. And let's not forget the yogurt, a wonderful source of probiotics for gut health. The beauty of this breakfast is its flexibility. Feel free to innovate and add your favorite healthy ingredients. Make it a habit to prepare and eat a nutritious breakfast daily. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the best way to fuel your body for the day, so make it count.